Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the cute Golden Walrus Pet wearing the crown from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the snout. Start with the hook curve here. And then another wider one on the right. You should end up with an upside down heart shape with a curved top like this. Then inside, draw the nostrils. And now add 3 black circles in the bottom right. Let's add the tusk next with 2 long curved V shapes. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Draw a circle shape starting from the top left of the snout and going down to the right side of the right tusk. And then add one more curve in between the tusks here. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw a curved semicircle shape along the left side of the head. And then color it in black. Now to the right, draw a circle for the other eye and color it in black as well. Lastly, for the head, add 3 whiskers on either side of the snout like this. Let's draw the shape of the body now. Starting from the bottom right of the tusk, draw a curve down to the right and back up as you go out. And do the same thing for the top of the body, starting from the side of the head. Now close off the end of the tail with a curve. Let's add his flipper next. Draw the sides of the flippers down across the bottom of the body here. And then close off the bottom with a curved square shape. Now add one more smaller curve on the top left. And then erase the body line inside. Lastly, let's add the other flipper with a curved V shape on the left side. Now let's add the scepter. Draw a bent line at the bottom of the left flipper. Then draw 2 lines out on the left. Now erase the flipper line inside. Next, add a curved rectangle shape at the end. And now an oval. Now inside, draw 4 curved lines like this. And then add 2 circles here. Next, let's add the small paw print at the top. Draw 2 short lines up. And then a rounded shape with 4 circles around it for the paw like this. Let's draw the crown on top of the head next. Draw a curved rectangle shape on the head like this. and then erase the headline above the shape. Next, add another smaller curved rectangle shape on top of the other one. Now let's add the gems on this section. Start with small curves on the sides. And then 3 hexagons inside. Next, on top of the section, step in slightly and draw S-curves up on either side. Now connect them with a curve at the top. Let's draw the arched pieces around the top of the crown now. Start in the middle and draw 2 diagonal lines. And then curves up. And now add a curve across the top. Now to the left, draw a similar shape but curved out to the left like this. And then at the top, draw 2 curves back down and in. Now do the same thing on the right side. Let's add one more arch on either side like this now. Now erase the crown lines inside the 3 middle arched pieces. Next, let's add a gem on each of these pieces. For the side pieces, add a small curve. Let's draw the top of the crown next. Start with 2 diagonal lines here. And then 2 lines up. And now close it off with a curve at the top. Now inside, draw curves into the middle arched piece like this. And then one more curve across the top section. Lastly, let's draw the paw print shape at the top. And that's it for this cute golden walrus pet wearing a crown. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!